This is kind of coming into the booth here. We got some trees. We got a big cat motor here, a couple of pumps. Truck's laid out. We got this carpet to look like sand beach, or beach sand, I should say, and sandy beach, whatever. Got the little plop up. Got some turbos here. Anyway, it's kind of cool how it's laid out on the ground. We got another Cummins motor sitting here, another pump. But the centerpiece is the truck. The Jollymon is what we call it. It looks pretty badass sitting there on the ground. We got engine kits laid out right here for your big old ISX motor if you got one. This is our, we built us a little, we want it to look like Margaritaville. So found us some birds and hats, brought them down and did a little work. It looks kind of good.
Oh, we need you to come home. What do you guys
What's going on here? So that's what this is all about.